Sit down. We did not charge this customer very well. I swear.
You didn't charge customer well, have you?
Kiki, you really tried.
This ginger is peppery.
I carry you like this. I put you on the machine and I saw it.
You are so sweet. It fits me so well.
Tola! This particular fabric, I order it specially for you from Belgium.
I can see.
From Belgium, okay? Stop lying.
You look so nice on me. So because of that, I want you to entertain them very well. I want you to serve them whatever they want. Give them drinks, give them snacks, anything they want.
Champagne, dollar code one.
See, both of you should feel at home.
Your father. Kiki.
I'm going to increase your
You
money.
didn't so nonsense, Shao.
But first, let me go and wear the second one. Once I love it, I will increase your money.
Now that is.
You will give us one.
You'll be a bastard very soon. Let me kick you. I know you.
I'm not going no more. I'm not going. Dollar champagne.
They bought chops, man.
Wait, taller. She looks taller.
More.
And underwear.
That thing that I said, pay 1 year, this your back is a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, so champagne, code one. Wow.
Wow. My friend.
This one I give now.
Wow.
Balenciaga, so good. Thank you.
No, we are doing program now at church. I'm a million.
What's your drink?
Can bring juice.
It's fine.
All right then.
Add spirit.
All right, so.
Oga. When you put it in my bag.
She chops. What you say, brah? What are you doing?
Fine. Go.
Are they come,
Woo. Eat ginger and drink tea. Gangster. Woo.
There's rice on the table now.
My mouth is burning.
This night I eat, I cannot reach my intestine. I want to go and eat rice. So. You know, it's two. We are two. Oga.
When someone says that you eat snack, you are not seeing jollof rice. I'm seeing jollof rice.
Talking.
Let's eat this one. They don't send us to that. Let's eat this one.
Oga, I think about say we should feel at home. See this one, you cannot reach my intestine. What can you get?
See better rice.
You feel at home.
You gotta take that rice.
This is the food that God set before me in the presence of my enemies. This is Ghana Jollof.
Let me tell you. No, it's not jollof.
It's Nigerian Jollof. It goes, Oga. Oga, you not pray. The Lord's Prayer and Al-Fatiha.
You're eating. What are you eating? You have eaten abomination. You put on the food.
We taste it is good. Imagine the salt, the curry, everything is in place.
His ingredient today, I poison my husband.
Poison the food.
Why are you poisoning your husband? Why do you do that?
Honey, how are you?
Poison the husband. That was mean.
Are you ready to eat?
You poisoned my food. You are such an incredible human. That's
Send
by
me
the way,
message.
we are both on the same page.
What type of plane is it?
Yes. I plan to poison you too.
Wait till happen.
I want to see you.
What did you not do?
You are the one that has been cheating on me.
Oh.
You are the one that has been cheating on me. How can you want to poison me?
I don't know what to do you.
I want to ask a question, sir. Why is it that it's hard that now die? I didn't die. Tomorrow eat the food.
Because I changed my mind.
Uh-uh.
I changed my mind and poisoned the drink.
It's a pity for you.
Yeah, that die. She lie. What did I just see? Sakpa native. Spaghetti. Hey, okay. Looking good. Yeah. Hey, Nice. Yes. I want plenty. May they made the inside room. What was that? Looking good though. Nice. Nice. Woo! When that girl in your dreams says you should show her power. Power. Hey. You fear that. But at school, never look at me. Me at school. Why would we look you now when you don't be like boy?
Which kind of talk be that? You don't know, see, when they tell you as a girl, say make you carry your friends come, you supposed to carry girls where fine.
Before.
If not, they will just pick you, leave the girls.
Before.
And if you the roll with girl where fine pass you, self, it's very, very dangerous because if you still choose the girl, leave you.
Before.
Yes, now, and normally now, make I tell you the truth. Get where the period is supposed to go club. What did they go to do?
Abio.
What do you want to shake?
Abio.
No.
What's going on now?
Come in. Hey, what's it? Please sit down.
You have to get what's up.
How you doing?
Very well. Hey, all right. Feel at home. Rex, this one girl. Maybe this is.
You want to bring your girl to see Rex again? Rex, that is his eyes see woman. No? He's a dangerous guy.
Hello.
He's a dangerous guy.
This face. You look familiar.
Before.
Yeah. No be you. That's she now. Okay. You be like.
He don't get girl where Rex never miss. Never miss before.
That belly are tough. What did chop well, I don't be smart in. Hello? How you now? Jesus, this me die. How? Hey, God.
Rex, how you go talk to a person die like that now?
Baby, I'm alive. Continue. No, you're alive. What? No, you died last week now.
Will you stop it? Rex, what is the meaning of this now? Somebody they tell you say I'm alive. You say they say you won't kill her.
I don't want to kill her. I just they talk. I said they talk to her. Remember her now? When did they shake her for the coffee?
Excuse me. Hey!
I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
You rebuke this guy. Why you go talk say I die? This one is Kabashi. This one is Kabashi. See her face. She even looks as if she has died. Rex, what are you saying? You don't want that, auntie. Auntie, you don't want that.
My guy, I'm not expecting from you.
Rex can do anything.
Sorry. My guy, you disappointed.
Who are no vest? I don't know. She just resemble place where die.
Yeah, this God, oh.
Iron chopping. Jesus Christ. This is some iron chopping, man. Oh my God. This is some street things, man. Who?
I like those shoes.
Boy, you was fat. I got on set up, man. Makes sense. Die. Just me in your house. Wonderful. This is someone's parlor. How did this happen? I said Timaya Shao. Timaya man. See men that sing songs.
Hey son,
Every day.
Stop crying before the great Amadioha.
Let's watch some
Why are you here?
Nigeria comedies, man.
You will not believe this stupid,
wicked
man collected my wife. Don't worry, we'll deal with him. Bring out his picture.
Yes, Baba.
By the time we finish with
Picture.
Yes, Baba. Look at the man. Look at him. Yes.
Highest chief priest. You want to play with fire. You want to kill yourself?
I saw. Now the one be this.
You laugh.
Hey, collect.
Collect.
Man, now I ain't collect my own wife.
Baba, they collect your wife too, man.
So you don't get power to finish up.
I swear, now God, they fight my battle like this. I bet they go before if you come. No, allow them no say you come here.
Make I dey go.
They go.